Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and I've got big news for you. I've been asked to sort a problem within my local community. We're here at 4 Marks Bowls Club, and I've got a bent fescue lawn mowed at 4mm, and they have problems. We're way behind the curve. They have lots of worm casts. They have massive worm casts. They're coming on with the switch, swishing it all, breaking up the worms, all the castings, not the worms, breaking up the worm casts, and they're in trouble because they're alkaline. Their pH is too high, and we need to reduce the pH and make it less desirable for those worms to come up to the surface because they're ruining the playing green. And we have moss coming in, so I will be maintaining this for the year. So every penny I make on this video I'll be putting back into this club, because this club's pretty much struggling. It's only got 21 members. You know, obviously the average age is higher. They're retired gentlemen and retired ladies, so yeah, we need to help them out. And by watching this video, you are helping this club, because they really do need help. And that's why I'm here. So I'm going to put some granules out, kiss my grass, autumn fertiliser, 6-5-10 with iron and magnesium. I'm going to put these granules out. I've only got my small little hopper because my big hopper broke and I haven't built the new one up yet. I thought I was done this year. So we're going to get the granules out, and then later on today I will be coming with my boom sprayer and spraying liquid iron, because I need to reduce the pH, because they're really struggling with the worm casts, and they have damage in areas. Okay, so let's get the granules out. It's going to be a long walk, and get going with it. After I've done that, I will show you some of the playing surface. This needs a top dressing early doors, because we need to be on here. Season starts end of April. And I'm way behind. I've got to scarify, do lots of work, aeration. Yeah, so we're in trouble again, but we're going to do it, and we're going to do it for the community. My labour here is for free. I'm helping out. Okay, so that's all the granules out. 1,200 square metres. They can't use that end because it's too much damage. So they've been using 60% of this, but we're going to get them to 100% with your help, guys. Damaged areas, lots of moss, as you can see all those light colours, lots of moss. And the worm casts are causing a problem. Lots of them, yeah, and you see here, worm cast damage, and then the moss over here, lots of moss. So my job for free is to get these guys a decent bowls green within a budget, because there isn't a big budget here, and this area suffers because of this hedge. Yeah, you see all the damage. So damage along here. So we've got a lot of work to do. And if I take you over here up to this rink, it's unplayable. All the damage here. So they've had an outbreak big time this year. So it's going to be a tough one. We're going to need some seed, a bent fescue, and some wheatgrasses creeping in. Nasty ones as well, those. So yeah, I'm going to help these guys because they need the help. And there isn't the budget to do all this. So yeah, let's conclude. Okay, so that's 4 Marks Bowls Club. You've seen the damage. The wormcasts are horrendous. The moss is horrendous. It's not being scarified at the moment behind the curve because some people have not been well, so we're here to help. The ladies that bowl here, it's too slow. It's the drag on the. I'm not a bowls expert, but it's taking a hard push to get up to the end of the rink if they put the jack up the end there. So we need to speed this green up for 2026. So we're going to have a faster bowls green next year. That's the plan, and hopefully a better sward of grass, and get the pH down to about a 6. We're too high. We need it more acidic. So we're going to make it acidic, and we're going to repel those nasty worms from coming up to the top and doing their business on the top. So this time next year, hopefully, God willing, they won't have this amount of damage. So yeah, it's very important. Thank you for watching the video, because you've actually donated to 4 Marks Bowls Club by doing this. So share it, do whatever you can, because we're all in this together. We're all lawners together. So you'll be watching more of this in 2026, and we'll see what I'm made of, yeah, because you see what it is now. Let's see if we can get it better for them. See you soon, guys. Take care.